So what skin issues are occurring to you as you age?
As I've gotten older, I have brown spots, I have discoloration in my skin. I've considered actually a couple of these spots having a laser.
So the anti-aging acid here is called Kojic Acid. Again, this is something that most people have not heard of.
So kojic acid actually works by preventing the production of melanin. So it can come in soaps, that's kind of a new thing out now, so kojic acid in soaps, and also it can come in creams and other lotions.
Oh, yeah,
We made a little demonstration for you and everybody to understand how this works. So melanin is created, as Dr. Murman was saying, if you're exposed to the sun. So you could put a little here. Go ahead, expose yourself to some melanin, because you've been doing it anyway.
Oh, yes,
right?
I have,
Okay.
out on the tennis courts daily.
And then put you at one more spot. So what ends up happening is these pigmented areas are there trying to protect you. So what you want to try to do is apply an acid. Kojic acid would do this. Here, you apply a little bit, and I'll apply a little bit. And when you apply it the right way, it'll actually reduce the production of melanin that's being created. And by reducing it, you won't obviously get darker, but maybe even soak up. I'll put it right here. Go on, soak it in there. And I'll put it on mine, same kind of thing. And you see how it quickly blushes them out? That's the concept. Now, it's not that fast, obviously.
Right.
But the hope would be that over time, this is exactly kind of the result that you're getting. So, Dr. Murman, how long until you really would see a result like this?
So pigment comes in different layers of the skin. The superficial pigment will go away fastest, so you might even see improvement after 1 week.
What do you look for when you're buying the Kojic acid? What's the right concentration?
Kojic acid is different from other acids. You want to have just a little amount, less than 4%.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Benita's here. She argues she's actually getting dry skin as she ages. So, Dr. Murman, why is it specifically lactic acid you recommend for dry skin?
So you know lactic acid, it sounds like it comes from milk, right? It doesn't. It comes from fermenting fruits and also bacteria. Lactic acid does that sloughing off exfoliation that Dr. Oz mentioned, but it also calms the skin. So this you want to do, especially around the eyes. Any acid around the eye, you want to be very careful that you don't get it in the eye. So one good trick is to put a little petroleum jelly right on the crease so none of the acid will pool there. And then you use a little sponge so that it doesn't kind of get all over the place. And do you mind if I put a little on? Okay, so you're going to just start gently, and then just a little bit goes a really long way, and then you're just going to come down and around the eyes just a little bit here.
And what do you look for when you're buying it?
So the lactic acid does come in different strengths as well. You really want to look for the vehicle. You want it to be in a cream and a lotion. I wouldn't go for a gel because that can be alcohol-based and drying. So really, you're thinking about the lotion or cream, and you want it to be less than 10%, maybe 12% max.
This is over the counter?
It's over the counter in generics, very, very easy to
All
find.
these are over the counter. We wanted you to know about these because they're inexpensive, and if a board-certified dermatologist thinks they're great for you and would prescribe them to her own patients and herself and to me, you guys should know about them.